Most people assumed Elon Musk would eventually settle into some futuristic megamansion, something built with SpaceX steel and Tesla glass. Instead, he quietly packed up his things, left behind every luxury most billionaires cling to, and moved into a tiny 280-square-foot home sitting out in the Texas desert. No private chef, no 10-car garage, no $50 million estate. Just a compact fold-out structure that costs less than the average American's monthly rent. And what caught everyone off guard wasn't the size of the house. It was how confidently he talked about it. As if living in something so small wasn't a downgrade, but a personal upgrade. Musk didn't try to hide it or spin it. He said it plainly. This little $8,000 home was his new base, and he was proud of it. But the truth is, this wasn't some impulsive minimalist phase or a publicity stunt to shock the internet. Something much bigger was brewing behind the scenes. This tiny home wasn't chosen because it was cheap. It was chosen because it represented the first step in a plan Musk had been sitting on for years. A plan that would challenge the entire housing market and expose how broken it really is. And once people realized that his tiny house experiment wasn't just personal, but strategic, the story took a turn nobody was prepared for. Because living small wasn't the point, scaling small was. But this was only the surface. The real reason Musk chose this home goes far deeper. The Tesla tiny house isn't just a prefabricated box thrown together in a weekend. Every inch of it is engineered with the precision you'd expect from a Tesla factory. Walls, kitchen modules, bathroom panels, and even the roof are pre-assembled under extreme pressure, 250,000 pounds of it, to create a structure that's stronger than most traditional homes. Drywall? Forget it. It's fragile, messy, and useless for transportation. Tesla went with steel, reinforced concrete, and multi-layer insulated panels instead. What makes this house truly mind-blowing is how it's built. Inside a section of the Tesla Gigafactory, robotic systems originally designed to assemble Model Ys and Cybertrucks have been reprogrammed to craft these tiny homes. Every cut, every weld, every panel placement is automated with millimeter-level precision. The process is so advanced that when the finished unit arrives at its location, it can be fully set up in just a couple of hours. Walls unfold, utilities hook up, and it's ready to live in almost immediately. And it's not just about speed. These houses are stress-tested for the real world. Fire resistance, waterproofing, corrosion prevention, mold-proof materials, all standard. Tesla didn't just make a tiny home. They made a mini fortress. Storms, floods, snow, even intense heat, the structure can handle it. It's engineered to last up to 22 years before significant renovations are needed. So, while it looks small on the outside, the Tesla tiny house is a marvel of modern engineering. But the interior? That's where most people's jaws drop. And what's inside this compact cube is more luxurious than anyone imagined. When the Tesla tiny house arrives, it doesn't look like much at first, just a folded crate, compact and unassuming. But within hours, it transforms into a fully functional home. The walls extend, the roof locks into place, and the interior spaces take shape like magic. In as little as 1 to 3 hours, what was once a box becomes a livable, stylish, and surprisingly spacious home. The process is almost hypnotic. From a distance, it appears like any ordinary prefab delivery. Up close, it's a mechanical ballet. Steel frames anchor, panels click into place, plumbing and electricity connect seamlessly, and even the solar-ready roof unfolds without a hitch. Unlike traditional homes, which take months to build and weeks to furnish, the Tesla tiny house comes move-in ready the same day it reaches your property. And yet, despite its quick assembly, the house isn't fragile. Every panel, every seam, every hinge is designed to withstand daily use, extreme weather, and the stress of transportation. At only 5,600 pounds, it's lightweight, but every ounce serves a purpose. There are no wasted materials, no unnecessary flourishes, just a compact, intelligent structure built to last. But what really surprises most people isn't the speed or durability. It's what Elon and Tesla managed to fit inside this tiny footprint. Step inside, and the house reveals its biggest secret. Step through the door, and the Tesla tiny house instantly defies expectations. The first thing you notice is the ceiling, nearly 10 feet tall, giving the impression of a space far larger than its 280 square feet. The layout is brilliantly optimized for distinct zones for living, sleeping, cooking, and hygiene, all seamlessly integrated without feeling cramped. The living area is both stylish and functional. A sleek neutral-tone sofa folds effortlessly into a double bed, while built-in shelves provide storage for books, gadgets, and personal items. A 60-inch TV can be mounted without crowding the space, creating a living room that doubles as a bedroom without compromise. Tesla's design philosophy is clear. Every surface is purposeful, every line intentional. The kitchen may be compact, but it's nothing short of ingenious. An induction cooktop, compact oven, mini dishwasher, and refrigerator fit neatly alongside clever fold-down counters that expand into a dining space for two. Overhead cabinetry maximizes vertical storage, and every detail is designed to keep the interior clean, open, and clutter-free. Cooking smells don't linger thanks to a smart air filtration and ventilation system that maintains crisp, clean air throughout the home. Even the bathroom impresses. A glass-enclosed rainfall shower, minimalist sink with hidden storage, and stain-resistant toilet combine luxury with functionality. Frosted glass allows sunlight to filter in while maintaining privacy, making even this compact space feel refreshing and open. Lighting and natural light play a critical role too. Large double-pane insulated windows invite sunlight to flood the rooms during the day, while energy-efficient LED lights create a warm, inviting atmosphere at night. Automated curtains glide silently at the touch of a button, turning an open, airy space into a private retreat. It's small, yes, but every element has been engineered for maximum comfort and convenience. And that's just the beginning of what makes this tiny home extraordinary. But the genius of the Tesla tiny house isn't only about how it feels inside. It's about how it grows. Elon Musk isn't just building tiny homes. He's rethinking the entire housing market. With median home prices in the U.S. hitting $434,000, nearly 47 million Americans struggle to afford traditional housing. Tesla's tiny houses, priced under $8,000, aren't just a novelty. They're a disruptive answer to the global affordability crisis. By producing homes directly inside gigafactories, Tesla compresses what normally takes 6 months into just a few hours. Each unit comes pre-equipped with solar panels, energy storage, and smart home technology. And thanks to partnerships with government land programs, residents can access affordable plots with 99-year leases, sometimes paying less than $120 a year in fees. Property taxes? Often bypassed entirely. It's a model designed to challenge the status quo and make sustainable living accessible. Elon Musk choosing to live in a tiny house isn't just a personal quirk, it's a statement. Minimalism, modular design, energy efficiency, and affordability all converge in this experiment. But the bigger picture is clear. Musk is reshaping how people think about housing. Whether you see it as a clever innovation, a visionary blueprint, or a bold disruption, one thing is undeniable. The $8,000 Tesla tiny house is more than just a home. It's the beginning of a radical experiment in how the world could live, work, and build communities in the 21st century. And for those curious about the future, Musk's tiny home is a hint. The era of slow, expensive, conventional housing may soon be over. Affordable, efficient, scalable, and surprisingly luxurious. This is a new blueprint for living, and it all started with one billionaire's unexpected choice.